And welcome back to the 2 minute market. We go over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. Now, the big news today was cryptocurrency and specifically Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin had a monstrous day. So let's look at this chart. You'll see that Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 107,000 at about 1:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So remember that time frame. We'll go back to it. But again, that $107,000 level is such a key level that my eyes is locked on it because my prediction was Bitcoin would top at 107,000 to 112,000. So it'll be fun to see if Bitcoin's going to pull back from there or is it going to bust through that resistance. Now on the stock side, one of the biggest news was MicroStrategy, and that's directly connected to Bitcoin. So MicroStrategy actually got added to the NASDAQ 100 today, and that's huge news. So MicroStrategy is a software company, but their strategy is to buy Bitcoin and buy a lot of Bitcoin. One of their executives is Michael Saylor, and he's one of the biggest Bitcoin bulls there is. So let's look at their chart. If you look above, you'll see that on the news of getting added to the NASDAQ, MicroStrategy did go up. But if you look, you'll see at 1:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, MicroStrategy went all the way up to $437 per share. But then it started tanking. And what's the culprit for that? Is because Bitcoin went down. So you'll see that MicroStrategy and Bitcoin is so correlated that if Bitcoin does go down, MicroStrategy will go down as well. Now let's look at the indices of the stock market. If you look above, you'll see that today the NASDAQ took off and the NASDAQ had a huge day. And one of the biggest days in the NASDAQ was again Tesla. If you look at this chart above, Tesla keeps going higher. Now it's at another all-time high. So my eyes again is on Tesla to see how high can it really push. Going back to cryptocurrency, if you look at the chart above, you'll see Ethereum. Ethereum is still strong. Ethereum did hit it today all the way up to 4,100. So we're seeing if Ethereum can bust through that resistance. If it can, it's a great chance that it can hit all-time high. Now this week is a very important week because tomorrow starts the Fed meeting. So it's tomorrow and Wednesday. But Wednesday is the key day when we find out about rate cuts. So we'll go more into that tomorrow. But again, this should be a very promising week. Again, this is the 2 minute market. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.